Hey, hope you're doing well. Trout Knives here. Thought I'd share this knife I finished earlier this week. This is a kind of a variant on a bird and trout. Black canvas micarta, brass pins. You see it's got, even though it's slim, full-size handle, which I like. And the blade on this is 3 inches. I actually made another one just a little bit larger than this. Customer has it. These are both 1/8 inch stock 1095. The other one, the grind's just a little bit stouter than this. This is around 10 thou. But what's interesting about the little knife is when I heat treated it, since it's a small blade, not designed for rough use, I've got it at averages 65.5 HRC when Rockwell tested it. So it's a very lean, pointy knife with a very hard blade. It should make a very fine cutting, slicing knife. Sharpened up nicely. It's nice to work with. Now, it's obviously when you work with it, you can tell it's a little bit harder. But since it's high carbon steel like 1095, you're not having problems or issues trying to sharpen steels. It's got like high carbide content, which I don't like anyway. But I'm using this one, trying it out. The way I heat treated it, I don't have to worry about embrittlement, temporary embrittlement. The last 1095 blades I made, I tempered around 600 degrees Fahrenheit to get past the tempering and embrittlement phase. So in these, I skipped that altogether by using a low temper and keeping this hard. Anyway, some of you may find it interesting. And also you can see I went ahead and put a very light etch on the blade, kind of started the patina process. It's getting well, spring here, but it's been summer type temperatures, hot, humid, 100-degree humidity, 95-degree days here in the past week, and carbon steel like this doesn't take it long in these conditions when you use them to rust. So just trying out the light etch on them just to start the patina, a little bit of protection, even though I know that that will scratch and wear off. Anyway, you hear it raining now. It's been raining for on and off for the past week. But McCullough Knives here. I hope you're all doing well. Take care.